Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And if you missed the first one by the same company, remember our little tree lamp we have. I'll try to link that in the description box below the video so you guys can watch that one. This one is by the same company. This one is going to be the HomeTree Q2 solid wood touch switch nightlight fast charging capability lamp. Also has a multi-use hanger as well. So it's a really cool lamp. That's why I'm reviewing it on the channel. So let's go ahead and get it on over here. Let's take it out of the box, see what we got. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's go ahead and get this out of here and we'll take it for a test run. Open it on up there, that's cool. If you can catch that on film, there are a picture of little birds there. I think that's really cool. So let's go ahead and open up the flaps here. We have HomeTree Q2, a natural way of living, and there it is right there. We're gonna see that live in person right now. And here we have our solid wood here. So let's go ahead and get this guy on out. That's one piece there with some coverings. We're gonna get to all of this, but let's go ahead and show you what that looks like there. So it's solid wood, and then you have your bird lights. So these are the lights here, and then this is all blacked out here. That's really cool. There is our battery there. There is a charging prong or some sort right here, but we are gonna get to the rest of that. Over here on the left side is gonna be another little piece of the wood. Over on the left back side is gonna be our power adapter here. Let's go ahead and take a little look-see, because some of you guys might generally be wondering how long that is. We're looking at a solid, I'd say, 5 foot, 4.5 foot plug or so, and you do include the adapter with it. You guys in the UK, there obviously will sell the different adapter for you guys. This is the US model. Plop it in, turn it to the right there as you heard, and bada bing, bada boom. All right, so there's our plug there. Removing this guy here, let's go ahead and check out the base station here. I think we actually, how do we get to that there? Do we have to rip this up? Pulling out the base station here with our motherboard prong down below. And again, you are gonna be having your wireless charging capability underneath here, your coils. Let's go ahead and flip it on over real quickly. There it is right here. These of course are the US specs here, but there is the rating voltage 100 200 volts, 50 through 60 hertz. Input voltage is 12 volts. Incoming current is 2.5 amp. You do also have nice soft pads here and here. And this is where our plug inserts into right here. So this piece right here is your back portion of the tree lamp here. So that just screws in like that, nice and tight. And so with this here, I believe you just insert it, and I believe that you then twist it so it's nice and tight. Yeah, and you twist it clockwise and you'll feel a little bit of a nudge where it goes into the slot, and then you are good to go. That is very cool. So we have touch right here. There's a little indentation right here that you touch to turn it off and on, as you can see, and your finger will do that. That's really cool. So on the back of this is going to be your instructions as well, which is pretty straightforward. Here are the dimensions, the size there, 180 millimeters by height of 330 millimeters. And I am calling it a lamp, but this would be more of like an entry hallway, maybe something in the bedroom, something very subtle. And though there are two bulbs here, this is more of a night light lamp. But what makes this so unique and awesome is, let me go ahead and show you. We'll of course get some better nighttime shots when it is completely dark out here, but I want to give you a just. So you just walked in from a day of work or the gym and it's evening time, right? This is either sitting on your entryway where you put your keys or your bedroom, etc., and you put your smartwatch right on one of the hangers. Not to mention over here, you could even slip on your keys, something like this here. You guys get the idea. You could hang some necklaces of some sort. So that is a very cool idea there. So I don't have any necklaces myself, but as they show you in the photo, you can put some bracelets, some rings down there at the bottom. And then also the necklace is dangled on that top leaf there. That's great. Okay, so we will be showing you with a different camera the wireless charging capability. I am actually using my phone to record this video right now, my Samsung S8 Plus. And so this is obviously just a little bit of a better look of the lamp up close where they have illuminated. Now, it doesn't get any brighter than this or dimmer than this. It's just a one-touch system. You can't fade it up or down, but that is very subtle and nice if you had that in the hallway, so you don't have to turn on lights when you're going to the bathroom in the middle of the night or changing your baby's diaper, etc. You guys get the idea. So let's go ahead and flip over cameras and show you what it looks like charging. And looking good. So it blinks once as I put it on that coil. Same thing, 1 hour 45 minutes. We're looking good. This shot's gonna be a little dark, obviously, because I want you to see what it looks like in fully dark outside and beautiful. I have my kitchen light on way over there, but as we can see here, it's lighting it up very subtly and looking great. Again, for any type of room, it's giving off a nice nightlight vibe to it. Put that in your entryway, bathroom, you name it. The birds are looking absolutely wonderful, and that looks great with my motif, my little table here. Let me turn on the lights and let me show you what it looks like. So I got my table right here next to my guitar, and we look great. Nice books there with some decoration pieces, and it's looking fantastic. When guests arrive, they can lay their phones right on top of there, not too far away from the couch, and they can wireless, fast charge wireless right on 2 prongs. They could hang their watch, their car keys, their sunglasses on one hook. Don't know if they would do that. So overall, guys, I really like it. It's a very unique piece, real wood. It's just a conversation starter right there, not to mention with the fast charging. I like it, not to mention it works great. Touch on and off. We're looking fantastic. You could even fire up a smart plug and have your smart home device, your Echoes or Googles, be able to turn this on and off without even touching it. That is a possibility. Thank you so much for watching the video. If it has helped you make an informed decision, smash that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, and also look for this exact same nightlight in the description box below. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.